Good morning and welcome back. We are on Lie Every Day, day 3. So how are you feeling so far? Have you thought about some questions you have for me? Just write them down in the comments. I'll be happy to address them. Well, today we are now moving on to something more structured when you plan your live video and the topic you're not going to talk about. But the topic is going to be is that you're creating a description, a must-click description. Have you noticed when you are looking at the social media, you look at some headlines, and you're drawn to it, and then you click on it, or you pass that, you don't click on it. There's a reason, because there is something that makes you feel, it draws into it and asks you. Basically, it's a call to action. And description should be something along the line that gives you a reason to go there. I'll give you how to do the good start of a yoga in 5 easy steps, or how to avoid the 3 top mistakes in knitting, or how to make 5 easy steps to make the best pasta sauce. And when you give those very specific, that gives also a purpose why they should come in there. Of course, everything should be relating to what you are doing. So we tell us why you started your business or what you're planning of doing. So that's called the origin story. And it should be about the storytelling, why you're doing things. Well, from my side, I started this hotel consultancy, which I'm doing, and I also enjoy sharing my experience about social media and strategies and live video and I was a hotelier for 40 years, and I was working for a number of hotels throughout the world. And once my corporate life was over, I was wondering, well, how am I going to, what is my next chapter in my career? And I decided, well, I want to give it a chance to use my experience, use my vision and my hunger for learn new things, and use that as a way to provide consultancy and help work with hotels to help them with a paradigm shift in how they can grow their revenue. And mainly one way of growing the revenue is creating new ideas that meets what the people are looking for, and how to find out what they're looking for. So that I made my purpose, and that gives me sort of a joy and look forward to every day what I'm doing. So that's what is the purpose, and finally that makes me happy. So happiness is the end goal, right? So that's what I do. So think about this now, and if you're working for a company at the moment, or you have a dream what you want to fulfill, you have a hobby that you are committed to, that's one of your purposes. Or you're between your jobs, you need to rethink your career like many people have. This is the time to rethink what is your purpose. Or you have a business, and right now in the critical times that we are having, that you're not able to generate revenue, you will need to become more active in the social media and tell the unique story, what's originating or what you're doing. And I think this is particularly a great way to bring up, not only to talk about your family or who you are, but talk specifically why your customers should be interested in your services or your product. So be very, very focused on what you want to do, and this will help you to move along to in the right direction. So that's the challenge of today. So good luck and see you tomorrow.